Hey you, stop worrying about your manifestation. Hello my powerful creators, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Candice if you're new here. Thank you so much for being here today. On this channel we talk about manifestation, law of attraction, and personal development. And today we're diving into the important elements of letting go and not worrying about our manifestation. If you want to be a part of the Powerful Creators community, and you believe you are a powerful creator, or you want to become a powerful creator, hit that subscribe button and join the family. There's been many times in my life where I worried too much about not having my manifestation in my life. So we're just gonna have a conversation today on how you can stop worrying about your manifestation and start letting go and allowing your manifestation to do what it needs to do to come into your reality. So the first section is called the absence. Today, no longer care about the absence of your manifestation or your desire, and believe that the not having it is temporary. It's not going to be the rest of your life that you don't have this manifestation in your reality. It's just temporary. So when you envision it as temporary, it's much easier to understand what's going on in your life. Believing this moment in your life of not having your manifestation in your reality is temporary helps you believe that it is coming into your life soon and coming at the most perfect time. But you have got to stop focusing on the fact that your manifestation is not here right now. Believe today that you are closer to your desire, closer to your manifestation than you ever were before. The second section is to allow. In the absence of your desire, this is the perfect time to just allow. Allow yourself to just be in the present moment. Find joy and happiness in your current life. And find the fun in life right now to get your mind off the lack in your life. Because if you think back on your life, there was a time in your life that you desired what you have today. I look at my life, I desired this apartment years ago. I desired my career that I have now years ago. So there's so much that I can have fun with and I can find joy and happiness in if I think about the things that I have today that were things that I truly desired back years ago. And that's where gratitude comes into play. When we start allowing life to just be, gratitude starts working in us and we can start listing out the things that we are grateful for. And the third section is to focus. Let go of constantly thinking about the lacks in your life. It's time right now to focus on all the joys you have today. Decide right now that you are going to feel good right now. Say it out loud. I am going to feel good right now. I'm deciding right in this moment, I'm gonna feel good. And do whatever you need to do to get to that feel good energy. For me, it's listening to good music, watching a comedic film, reading a good book, talking to a good friend. That makes me feel good. And that gets me out of the focus of my lacks. Start the journey of least resistance, because when we have no resistance to our desire, which means we just let it go, we're allowing, we're focusing on something else, this will start to produce the conditions you truly desire in your life. When we let go of the absence and the lack, and we start allowing our life to just unfold and be, and then we start focusing on the gratitude and joys in our life, that's when the law of attraction starts working and starts aligning us in the right direction to our manifestation. And once you've done all this, remember and believe that it's done. You can relax and chill out and let it all come to you. Say this with me. I am now completely letting go, and I put my full trust in God. Everything is working out for me. All I have to do now is to relax and allow the universe to take over. Say that a couple of times and truly feel it Even write it down and put it on your mirror so that you can see it consistently. Whenever you have those moments of, oh my gosh, I wish, I just hope, I really need this manifestation to work out. Allow, focus, let go of the absence. Read this affirmation consistently, and you will start feeling the feelings of not even thinking about your manifestation. And that's the tool where it really truly comes into your life. I truly hope you enjoyed this video today. Give this video a big thumbs up if you are already on the wavelength of letting go after watching this video. I know I am. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram for daily affirmations to encourage you every single day of your week. And if you are a powerful creator, hit that subscribe button and join the Powerful Creators community that we have here on this channel. And hit that bell notification button so that you are notified every single time I upload a video. After watching this video, I know you will really love my next video on the different ways to manifest. 5 different techniques, and I know there's one just for you that will resonate with you. Thank you so much for watching today's video. Powerful creators, I love you so much, and I hope you have a beautiful day. Keep shining, keep believing, and I'm praying for you. I will see you in my next video.